Hello guys, happy Thursday to everyone. And today we want to introduce with you guys our new pets. Pets because we have two pets.
Two pets. One is the hamster, which is a girl.
And we name her Ginger. And we have a cockatiel.
Cockatiel bird.
Yeah. We name her Spiky. We don't know what is the gender of the bird.
Yeah, so we don't know if it's a boy or a girl.
Yes. So our hamster, she's
Like,
freely roaming around in the house, so we don't know which corner in the house she is right now.
Yep.
So we have to search.
Yes.
Okay, so first we'll show you our bird. Inside the cage.
If her biting is not like that painful, it's not so painful.
So now Isabella will open the cage.
The biting is not so painful. Come. Wait.
See, it flew on my head. Go to Bella. See, she goes on Isabella's hand. So she goes in Isabella, and the bird can also sit on the head.
Come, go on my head. There we go.
This is a very friendly bird.
Yeah, and her biting is not like so painful.
Yes,
It
as you
doesn't
can
even
see.
pain.
See, so adorable
And you
bird.
can even pet it, but it won't fly.
Actually, this bird, my husband's friend, he gave it for Isabella. This is for yesterday, I think Wednesday. He gave it for Isabella. See, he's flying! He wants to my camera!
Come.
See? She's here!
Wait.
Wait.
You have to do like this so she doesn't like do this. Like under here and then she'll come on top.
Yes.
And then go out.
She can go now there.
And you know what's her favorite place to go? Here. She really loves to go.
So, whole day we'll just open her cage, and in the evening we'll close it.
Yeah.
This is our hamster. Isabella's carrying her. We finally found her in the corner. She was there. Put her in the cage, Bella. Put in the cage.
Oh, wait.
Put in the cage. She's gonna sleep now. Okay. See? This is her. Our hamster.
You can pet it softly.
Yes, this is our hamster.
But I like the bird and the hamster. Let me get the bird.
Yes, this is our hamster. Hello. Hi, Ginger.
Wait.
Hi,
Wait,
Ginger.
no,
Put on
no,
the top
stop.
of the thing. There.
No.
See?
And I forgot to tell you.
Our Ginger. What's in my head?
The bird.
Hi, Ginger. Are you eating ginger?
And guys, I forgot to tell you. And Spiky also loves to bite these corners, so we have to say no. No. Stop. No. But good thing this is wooden.
Yes.
Stop. Come on. Stop. Come on.
This is also like parrot that you can also teach the bird to talk.
No. But if it's a boy, then I think it can talk. But if it's a female, then it can talk.
Yes, so beautiful.
Stop.
if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. Please subscribe if you haven't yet, so you will be notified every time we have a new upload. Until then, we'll see you to our next one. Bye!
Hi.
And our... What is
And our bird says bye too.
And our... What is his name? Spikey said bye! We'll see you to our next one.
Bye.
Spikey said bye, and we'll see you to our next one.